clap if you feel like it. We present to you, ladies and gentlemen, the workforce of the village, the workforce of the country, the lovely daughter of the chief, the princess in the middle, in the preparation for the highest form of welcome in Samoa. This is the ceremony of the Ava, the ceremony that we share with leaders of countries, kings and queens, presidents and special guests like yourself this evening. We welcome you in the highest level. When I found favored and selected to be a member of the Chiefs Council of Samoa, it came to me by surprise, but I accepted the challenge and responsibilities. I also received some of the materials that were handmade by our island people and then passed on for many generations until today. I received the yesiapo, the tapakla that is made from the inner bark of the paper mulberry tree. We harvest the bark of the uwa. We pound it. We stretch and glue together by using the juice of the tapioca root. These materials were worn by other leaders before our time, and it must pass on to other generations. The yesiapo, ladies and gentlemen. I also received the lei of the chiefs, the ulafala. It is made from the seeds of the bandanas tree. Stringing of these beads together represents a unity among the Chiefs Council, working together with our island people. I received the fue, the Swiss of inspiration. The fue represents mana, the spirit of our people. The fue is made from the fibers of the tree of life, the coconut tree. When the chief is ready to deliver the speech, he swings the fue 3 times around. Let everybody know that he's ready to deliver the message. But there's also time the chief forget what he's supposed to say. He swings the fue again to bring back memories. The fue rests on the right shoulder at all times. I received the toto, the staff of authority. The toto represents power of leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the leaders of our countries, the Council of Chiefs, and the people of Samoa, we welcome you in our chiefly tongue. Bong ya so wele kuas fulau. E ole so pa ia mamalu. Wa pa ia mamalu faka famla wa fi mai malo kala amai. Lo la ko lem lo la ko kai lo saka manga kai ya fa kai le kua. Le wa mak fisil failu mangu ale kuangu. Ling mai mangwe kele la ye le maku mafkanga. Ling mawe kele ainga mfanga usang le mu yalau. Words of courage and words of love. Blessing, but each and every one of you to be safe and be happy this evening. Blessings to families and children to be safe as you tour the islands. And blessings to all of you. As you return home to your loved ones and families, may the Spirit of God guide you home safely until we meet again. Thank you very much. We harvest the ava. It is clean and dry in the sun for months and years. We pound it and mix it with water in the tanoa, the royal bowl. The duty of the lovely daughter of the chief is to prepare the royal drink. When it's ready, we serve it. Serve it. Some of you will be selected to receive the royal drink tonight. If you are chosen, please prepare good speech. Before we serve the ava, thou manga present the blessing of the royal drink. The clapping of hands indicates that you agree in every word he said. You agree to be friends with everybody around you tonight. So if you want everybody around you to be your friend, clap your hands like this. Because if you don't clap, then we will help you. Thank you very much. Some of you will be selected as leaders of the visiting party tonight. The first cup, we'd like to present this to Fiafia, Al-Suyao, Fiafia, Kui Maleli Fango. We also have tonight, ladies and gentlemen, some of our chiefs selected, and they will receive the royal drink tonight. Sir, if you can please share your name and where you're from.
Edward from Brisbane.
You are chosen to be one of our leaders. Tonight we give you a new name. Your chiefly name is Alofa. Alofa.
Alofa.
You are the loving chief. As you receive the cup, please go ahead and pour very little into the ground. Return favor to God, and please share a few words with everyone.
Thank you, everyone, for this. I love you.
I love you too. You say the word manuia. Manuia meaning blessing. Everybody respond by saying the word soifua, meaning good life.
Manuia.
Soifua. And then you drink the whole thing. Drink the whole thing. Let's give a round of applause for Chief Alofa. Please share your name and where you're from.
I'm Arne, and I'm from Samoa.
We have our local chief here. And tonight, we give you a new name. Your chiefly name, Lāuga. Lāuga.
Lāuga.
Are you sure you're from here? Lāuga, you are the tree of life.
Teuila.
Pick it up. We are honored to welcome you. You're one of our leaders. As a chief, we give you a new name. Your chiefly name, Lāuga. Lāuga.
Lāoso.
You are the rising sun.
Manuia.
Soifua. You are one of our chiefs. Please share your name, where you're from.
My name is Joachim, and I'm from Germany.
Thank you very much for being here. We give you a new name as a chief. Your new name is Elelelele. Elelelele.
Alelelele.
You are the promised land.
Alelelele. I'm so glad to be here in Samoa tonight to share this wonderful evening with you. Thank you very much. Manuia.
Soifua. And one of our leaders. Please share your name, where you're from.
Graham from New Zealand.
Your family is here. Well, we welcome you. We give you a new name. As a chief, you are Chief Fiafia. You say Fiafia.
Fiafia.
You are the happy chief.
Thank you very much for welcoming us here. We have felt most welcome, and the Samoan hospitality, as always, reigns supreme. Thank you very much. Manuia.
Soifua. One of us will take the cup that will make this complete. And this cup will go to a member of our village here. This cup will go to Peleseuma.
Avare tua. Ia mangawia lavar ka kwa fiaf. Mangawia.
Soifua. Very important for him to catch the cup. If he missed, it be the last time you see him. Let's give a round of applause for our leaders and our chiefs. The living culture continue. As we share with you tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we do remember our forefathers, their songs and their music. It's still sung with no guitar, no ukulele, but the clapping of hands accompany the singing. Please enjoy songs of our ancestors. I am the song leader. I'm going to lead these songs. Do you want more? Do you want more? Everybody please say, some more, some more, some more. Next number, number 15. You have any requests? No. What number? Number one. Number one. What's the number one? Huh? Number one is Freebird. Tausangi mai manu. Freebird. Freebird. Sing. Tausangi mai manu. Please give a round of applause to the daughter of the chief and our island people. We'll be right back after these messages.
Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for that wonderful and magnificent Chief Lāuga ceremony and the opening to the performances led by the High Chief Tauasa Sielu and the Chiefs Fiafia group all the way from Hawaii.